For problems 1 through 6, we're going to by simplifying by finding the sum. When I distribute, there's no number that goes in, so it's 4n cubed minus 5n squared. When I distribute the positive in, my sign stays, so it stays a positive 3n to the fourth and a positive 4n squared. When I combine my like terms, I take the highest power. Nothing matches it, so I have 3n to the fourth. My next one is a cubed. There's no other terms cubed, so I just copy a positive 4n cubed. And then I have negative 5 and a positive 4, which is a negative 1n squared. On 6, we have 6m to the fourth plus 1. I distribute the positive, so it stays a plus 4 and a plus 6m to the fourth. Combine like terms, m to the fourth is our biggest power. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 plus 4 is 5. We have 5n squared plus 6n. Distribute the positive. Positive 4n plus 8n squared. Square is our 2 is our biggest power. 8 plus 5, 13n squared. Then we have 6n and 4n, which make a total of 10n. I have 8x to the fourth plus 7x squared. Distribute the positive. Positive 7x to the fourth, positive 5x squared. 4 is our biggest power. We have 8 and 7 make 15x to the fourth. 7x squared and 5x make 12x squared. We have 3n minus 7 plus 2n cubed. Distribute that positive, so my signs are going to stay positive n, negative 4, positive 6n cubed. Cubed is our biggest power. 6 and 2 make 8. 3n and 1n make a total of 4. Negative 7 and negative 4 make negative 11. Three minus 5k cubed plus 5k to the fourth. Distribute the positive in. Positive 5k to the fourth. Negative stays the same. Negative stays the same. 4 is our biggest power. 5 plus 5 is 10k to the fourth. Cubed is the next. We have a negative 5 and a negative 7, which makes a negative 12. Then we have negative 8k squared all by itself, so it just stays. And then a positive 3. Now I'm going to simplify each difference, which means I'm subtracting. So we are going to get 8a minus 3a squared. When I distribute a negative, it changes my sign, so a positive becomes a negative 8a. Positive becomes a negative 7a squared. I can put the squares together. 7 and 3 make 7, 8, 9, 10, and negative 10. 8a and negative 8a makes 8 minus 8, which is 0. So I don't even need them, they go away. 5b to the fourth minus 2b squared. Distribute the negative, which makes the 5 become a negative 5b to the 4th, and this one will change to a positive 7b squared. 4 is our biggest power. 5 minus 5 just cancels out. Negative 2 and a positive 7. 7, 6, 5, b squared. 5n squared plus 5n, distribute negative, which turns opposite of a positive 7 is negative 7, negative 2n. N squared is the biggest power, nothing matches it, so I just copy. 5n minus 2 is 5, 4, 3n. Nothing matches the 7, so I just put it on the end. 4 plus 7k cubed, negative 4k cubed, positive 3. 7 minus 4 is 7. 6, 5, 4, 3k cubed. 4 plus 3 is positive 7. 6v to the 4th plus 4v cubed minus 3. Distribute that negative in, which makes that positive become a negative 2v to the 4th, a positive 8, and a positive 6v cubed. Power of 4 is the biggest. 6 minus 2 is 4. V cubed. 4 plus 6 is 10. Negative 3 and positive 8 is 8, 7, 6, 5. (6m minus 8m cubed plus 7m to the 4th. I just copied them all down. Then this negative has to distribute in, which changes my positive 4 to a negative 4. Negative becomes a positive 3. Positive becomes a negative m to the 4th. So I just change all my signs. Cubed is the biggest. Negative 8 and negative 4 make 8, 10, negative 12m cubed. Ooh. 4 is the biggest power. Oops. So if I put 7 minus 1, it would be 6m to the 4th. And last but not least, 6m just tags along. And the positive 3 doesn't have a match either. Four times 9, 1, 2, 3. We can take out the 4s. Now some of us would want to go through and circle the 5s, but this last term does not have a 5, so I can't circle them. But I can circle my r's, and I can circle a total of 3 because that's the minimum amount that I have. So I can circle 3 r's. Perfect. So I have 4r cubed, and left over is 5r cubed minus 5r squared minus 5r plus 9. 3, 24, 12, and 27. So I have a 3 with 5 u's and 2 v's plus, let's do 3 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 3 times 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 u's, plus 3 times 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 u's. So I can take out the 3's, and I can take out a total of 4 u's. So I took out 4 u's, which means that I have u v squared plus 8 u squared minus 4 u plus 9. 7, 6, and 3. 7 is prime, so it cannot simplify. 1, 2, 3, 4 x's and 3 y's plus 2 times 3 x, 1, 2, 3, 4 y's plus 3 with 2 x's and 1 y. Each of them have 1 y, and I can take out 2 x's. So I have 2 x's and a y taken out. 7x squared y squared plus 2 times 3 is 6 y cubed plus 3, done. And that's how you factor out the GCF.